Hello everyone, my name is Aarti Rituri and today we will study the second chapter of Unit 2. The name of the chapter is The Bubble, the Straw and the Shoe, written by Alexei Tolstoy. Alexei Tolstoy was a Russian writer. He was born in 1883 and he died in 1945. He wrote many novels, plays and of course short story. This story, The Bubble, the Straw and the Shoe is one of them. So let's listen the story. Once upon a time, there were three friends, a bubble, a straw and a shoe. One day, they went to the forest. So as they went to the forest, they came to a river. They did not know how to cross the river, but they want to cross it. So the shoe said to the bubble that we will float on you. No shoe, we will ask the straw to stretch itself from one bank to another, said the bubble. So the straw stretched itself. When the shoe jumped onto the straw, it broke and the shoe fell into the water. The bubble shook with laughter and burst with a big bang. That was the story. Now we will read the story one by one. I'll be writing the difficult words on the boards and also questions for you. You have to answer those questions and send them to me. So let's begin the story one by one, line wise. Once upon a time, there were a bubble, a straw and a shoe. Bubble? What is a bubble? A bubble is a ball of air or a gas. Let's write down bubble. Okay. One day they went to a forest. What is a forest? Forest is a jungle. You might have seen wild animals there. You might have heard about them. Yes. So let's write down forest, which means jungle. So as they went to the forest, they came to a river. They did not know how to cross it. They really want to cross that river but did not know how to cross it. What do you mean by cross? Cross means to go from one side to another. That is called cross. Let's write down cross. So what happened? The shoe asked the bubble that we will float on you. Float means to move slowly through the water so that we will sit on you and we will float through you. Float means, as I told you, move slowly through the water. Let's write down float. But the bubble said, no, we will ask the straw to stretch itself from one bank to another. Stretch. Stretch matlab means pull something to become longer and wider. Let's write down stretch. So, from one bank to another, what do you mean by bank? Bank means the land along the side of the river. That is called bank. So, the straw stretched itself. When the shoe jumped on the straw, it broke with a loud splash. Splash is the sound of a liquid or water. When you throw stone onto the water, you hear splash. That is the sound of a liquid when something is thrown or something fall onto the water, onto the liquid. So let's write down splash. The straw broke, shook, fell, and the bubble shook with laughter. Laughter. Laughter is the sound of laughing. Ha ha ha. That is laughter. And burst. Burst with a big bang. The bubble shook and shook with laughter and burst. Burst means to move suddenly, to burst. It burst as during your birthdays you burst balloons, right? Same here, the bubble burst. Let's write down burst. With a big bang, sudden force, the force of laughter. Let's write down big bang. Big bang means sudden force. So these were the difficult words and this was the chapter. Now let's do some question answers. I'll be writing them on the boards for you. Number 1. The question number 1 is name the 3 friends. I know you know the names of 3 friends, right? So let's write down. Question number 1 is name the 3 friends. Question 2. The question 2 for you is where did they go one day? Where did they go one day? Next question, question number 3 is what did they want to do? They want to do something, right? Which they do not know. What was that? What did they want to do? So this was the 3rd question. And the number 4th question is who fell into the river? You know na, somebody stretched itself, the straw stretched itself, somebody jumped onto it and fell into the river. Who was it? Who fell into the river? Who fell into the river? So these were the questions. These are the difficult words. I have already explained you the meaning of these difficult words. I hope you all liked the video. So if yes, don't forget to like the channel, subscribe it and share. Thank you so much.